So a box inside of a box. Back to my channel. It's Jody Renee here, and as y'all can tell by the title and as y'all seen, I have a new filling machine. Well, not a new, because I never had one before, but I now have a filling machine, and am I so excited about using this. So I gave y'all a little ASMR, not ASMR, but I gave y'all an unboxing so that way y'all could see me unboxing it. And I'm so excited to use this thing. I got it off Amazon, link down below. You can buy it straight exactly from my link, and it's like really fast shipping too. So I'm so excited to use this, and I'm definitely gonna review it and let y'all know if I think y'all should buy it, which I do highly recommend buying one of these now. This is the next biggest investment as far as equipment for a body butter business first. Then we got your KitchenAid mixer, and then now we have this new equipment, new big investment for your body butter or even skincare business. This filling machine, this is going to help you do things a lot more faster, especially if you sell body creams, body washes, even if you sell like liquidy form body butters, like creamy texture, not the little cute whipped and piping. This is going to be great. Oils, lip glosses, face washes, anything liquidy basically. And get some little content now. This is going to be great content as well. If you are thinking about buying this is going to be great content. Everybody loves the satisfying, the filling video. So this is going to be great content as well. What should we name her? We want to say her just because I'm a girl, I guess. But it's really a him, right? So my KitchenAid is named Tina, so I don't know what to name him. It's going to be very useful here at Blush Body Care Business Incorporation, and we're happy to have you a part of the team, my guy. Let's get you to work. First thing we're going to do is clean him. Instructions. Let's see. They have the whole video on Amazon about how to clean it. So let's see what it has. Clean the machine before use. Duh. So rotating the hopper. This is the hopper. Hold the base in place and turn the hopper. Gonna put this in the sink. So let me see. Let me pull this down. Yeah, not sure. Anyways, so me show y'all this. Y'all see this? This is different. How is it different, Jada? You just squeeze out the bottom now. Like, you don't have to like, and then you just sit it down like this. You know, compared to this one, you gotta flip all over. You gotta wait for it to drain to the bottom. But this is already sitting at the bottom. All you gotta do is squeeze. Easy squeeze. We're gonna use the last of this one first before we get to that one. So it says set the discharge quantity, turn the 3 to adjust the filling volume you need. So that's this. I'm thinking this is in milliliters. The maximum single filling volume of this machine is 70. Scale points to 10. Please lock the switch after adjustment. Add the filling material to the hopper and press the discharge to the manual handle. Common problem, there is oil in the machine. In order to protect the piston in the machine, we will grease the piston before the machine. What oil? What's the piston? Oh, I clean now, okay. The filling accuracy is based on water because different liquids have different. Alright, yeah, whatever. I didn't say what these was for. So, I'm thinking that is for like this. I'm thinking. But yeah, it don't say what those are for. Oh, hopper capacity 10 liters water. So let's set this up. So it says 10. It goes by milliliters, right? Because it says 70 milliliters. I mean, I probably just do an adjustment, like max. That's the max right there. So here we go, because they're 8 ounces. But how many milliliters is that, y'all? I don't know. We just leave it at 8 right now. Okay. But first, I'm doing all this with the machine, but we don't have no product to put in the machine. So, let's see. I need to make some product. We're going to do the body wash first. Just because the body creams, you got to melt them. So, let's do this. All right, y'all, here's my first bottle. So I got all my pink sugar body washes made. They look and smell really good. And then, as y'all saw, I got to use my filling machine. And then I didn't get that much. This was the last bottle, so. But, let's see, it's all empty. And so now we have to clean her, or him. So let's do that. Okay, y'all, so I finished cleaning the machine, and it was a bit more challenging to clean than I thought. Like this part, it was a bit more, I don't know. I was cleaning it with a wet rag, which I realized that I'm cleaning body wash out of a wet rag, so it wasn't a good idea. And then for this, I cleaned this part in the sink, but to clean this part, I just ran clean water through it. So excited about my new machine, and so excited to use it to make more product, more body creams, body washes in bulk now. And it's like going to be an easier process, so I'm very excited about that. That concludes this whole video. Once again, the link to this will be in the description box below, or it'll be right here for you to click the little card, so that way you can go and purchase it through my link. And if y'all do purchase it, let me know how you enjoyed it, or if you already have one, let me know how you enjoyed it and how to clean it really good. So with that being said, thank y'all so much for watching and tuning in to today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more content. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.